Would you say that you are a bridge builder first, so social impact first, or entrepreneurial first? Where do you think is your starting point?
Entrepreneur first.
Yeah.
Yes. Because this goes back to where we first started the conversation, which is about how we approach peace building, which for us it's solution-oriented peace building. It's coming together to solve our challenges. And so we have some dialogue. Dialogue happens. We address whatever folks are feeling because people feel conflict in different ways and experience in different ways. But then we transition the mindset into solutioning. That's also the feeling that you get when you come to the base. You walk in and you feel ready to work, collaborate, build stuff.
Doing stuff.
Yeah, so we try and change the mindset of the room to, okay, we have these issues. Now how do we work together to build solutions that will solve them? And the peacemaking happens as a natural result.